What's going on, everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It is a pleasure to have you here. If you're new, definitely leave a like and definitely subscribe for some amazing content that's going to be coming, I promise you. Today we are going to be talking about the collab between the Kooples and J Brand. Now I know you guys might have not heard about this collab because it hasn't happened. But that's not going to stop me because I'm going to make this collab happen. Let's jump into it. Now the reason I'm doing this collab is because I really like this black kind of wax finish over these indigo jeans that Kooples did, but they're not my size. And I want to wear them, so what I'm going to be actually doing is taking these snakeskin kind of shiny print J Brand jeans, and I'm going to be cutting the outseam of the pants and making a panel just so they can fit my leg. I think it'll be a great accenting detail because the snakeskin kind of reflects the matte finish on these jeans. I'm going to be using tailor's chalk, a pair of scissors, definitely pants, and a sewing machine. Definitely opening up the hem first, opening up the side panel. Let's get to it. Awesome. One leg down. One more to go. Just finished cutting down the entire side seam, so now you can flip them in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tailoring chalk and I'm going to mark the panels that I want to cut out of these pants. So typically I would do this with a ruler or measuring tape, but I'm not an expert and I've been doing this for about 4 years now, so I'm just going to eyeball it. So I just finished cutting out my panels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's time to sew them to each other. So I have one long strip, and then we're gonna put them in our jeans. What I'm gonna do is I'm also gonna flip them up and I'm gonna give it a top stitch just to kind of reinforce it and give it a more luxe look. So I just finished sewing and top stitching these. I know it looks a little crazy with the strings, but don't worry. They're going to look great once they're in the pants. I just finished sewing my 2 panel pieces, and now it's time to actually... I dropped off my pins. And now it's time to actually put them into our jean. It's time to actually add our panels. I just finished sewing the panel into the actual pant. I'm going to trim off the top, fix up the bottom hem, and I'm going to show you guys when it's done. I love the snakeskin print and how it complements this wax finish on this jean. I think it blends well together. The light catches it, but it blends just so seamlessly throughout the pant. Where they're hugging me now, it's great. You still have a little bit of tension, but not as tight as it was before. Overall, I think they came out great. I think it's an awesome luxury piece. I left the bottoms a little bit baggy so I get that break, so it's a new kind of style. Yeah, awesome collab piece between the Kooples and J Brand. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I really enjoyed making it. It was a fun process. If you do want a tutorial on how I actually created these pants, step-by-step measurements, sewing, I could definitely do that for you. Definitely leave it in the comment section below. Definitely like this video if you did, and subscribe because there's going to be some amazing content coming soon, I promise you. This has been Austin Sierra for Seams Clothing, signing out. And yeah, guys, go out there and make dreams a reality.